Hello! Today I'm going to do a review of the Lidl Parkside electric nailer stapler PET25C2. It has similar specification to the Titan I did a review of, although this one claims to only do up to 25mm and does 32. This one claims to do up to 32mm, and I've tested it already. It does. Comes with a manual, comes with a selection of nails and staples in varying sizes. Comes with, in fact, 500 staples in total, 215mm and 325, and 500 nails, 225mm and 332mm. It also comes with a hex key, so that if you need to unjam it, you can take that face off there and unjam it. Unlike the very small cheap nailer stapler I did a review of, this does have the safety on it. Something else of noteworthy is, it has a safety on it, but something you do need to watch out for is making sure you press that safety all the way home. It takes nails and staples of 15 in nails 15, 20, 25 and 32, and in staples it takes 15, 20 and 25mm staples. Has on here, it has a power, has an impact setting there, obviously has a trigger, and unlike the Titan where you slide that open like that, with this you pull that off like that, squeeze those there, and then that pulls out and you've laid it in there. Now it says it takes type 47 nails and type 55 staples. In practice it takes 18GA nails, and it also takes the Type 91 staples, so you can get those tack wires and the like from Screwfix. So that's the 18GA nails. They're very cheap. You can also buy them in Lidl. Lidl do boxes of combinations of different sizes, so that's 3,000 nails. You get 700. That's £3 for that. You get a selection of 750 each of 15, 20, 25 and 32mm. Not necessarily as good value as, maybe actually, no, it's about the same price as these. These are about £5 or £7 for 5,000 nails. But anyway, let's get the nails out, let's get some staples out and see how it works. Come on. Right, those over there. I have tested it, it does take the 18GA ones, but we use the nails now. To load that, nails go on that side there, like that, and just slide in. And then you feed that down, provided you get them in the right place, and push, clips in, lock on, and you can just see, don't know if you can see there, you can just see the number of nails in there, so that, or AC, you can see that you've still got lots of nails in there. So that's loaded up now. It does drive nails quite well. Something you need to bear in mind though is when you are driving nails that because that will fire as soon as the safety is down a little bit. Hold on. And if you don't push it down hard, it'll leave it proud. So you need to push it down hard and square, and then it will. Well, that was actually left that proud as well. I didn't push that down hard enough. Claims to be able to do 30 a minute. I reckon it'll do. That's actually something that I didn't have with the Well, not really, probably anyway. Right. Something I didn't have with the Titan is that it has a habit of occasionally bending over the top of the nail. So what we're going to do now is have a go in some hardwood, which I'm not nailing on top of the nail, and in they go. Again, you do want to keep your hand there goes a helicopter over the top to stop it kicking up. And to show you that it will do other, that's a hardwood, here is a lump of softwood into softwood. Now you can see there, it has managed to bend that nail over, which is a bit irritating. I'm not sure if that's the nails actually. Let me just have a go at doing lots. Not sure if that's the Parkside nails. Let me just try it with some of these nails. They might well be better. I didn't have the problem with the tack-wise nails. Let me just try that. It'll be a bit vexing if it's always going to bend nails over. So in there. Right. I managed to leave one proud there, but never mind. Right, well they all went in without bending over, so the moral of the story is use tack-wise nails. One thing I would say is that depending on how soft your wood is, you can mark the wood, so be careful with that. And one of the things, let me just try staples actually while I'm here. I'm going to quickly press out. It does staple reasonably well. And staples you load in just over there, like that. Back down with and off we go with the staples. Turn it on first. Works better if you turn it on. Yeah, let's put one over the top of that staple like that. And there you go. Staples galore. So it does work. What you would use a nail stapler like that for, or one of the things you would use it for, stick some more nails in it. No, I didn't have it right size nails out here. Right. Is if you want to do something like, if you're making say a crate or something and you wanted to say glue, fix that edge to that edge, you can nail it together, bit of glue and some nails, and let me just show you how that works. After I've dropped it on the floor, out the mighty Poundland glue. I really ought to do a test between comparing Poundland glue to Gorilla Glue. See if it's worth spending all that extra money. Right, so you just put that on there like that. Press it down. Line up down this end. I'm just going to drive a... Oops. Because I haven't got my... I'm going to go down this end. And now, I'll put it down there, now with it lined up. And put a bit more pressure on it, hopefully. Provided you get this actually lined up right and pressed down enough, it does drive the nails home, but I've managed to mess that up several times. There we go. So go and pull that nail out very quickly. Chuck one down this end. If you do manage to make a mistake and leave a few proud as I managed to do there, you can always just tap them home. And that's what you use a nailer stapler for, quite a lot, about packing bits of wood together. If you want to make boxes and things in a hurry, here is what I made earlier, and that is as strong as you like. When the glue is fully set on that, that will be very strong indeed. That is £16.99. The Titan is £34.99. That really is quite good value for money. You do need to be a bit more careful about how you use it when you're pressing it down to make sure that you've got it pressed home properly. And make sure you're pushing on the back properly, because it's a little bit less, a little bit more fiddly. But really, I think that is extremely good value for money for £16.99. The nails from Lidl are cheap. I'd recommend the Tackwise nails. As I say, if you want the nails, Tackwise Type 91 for the staples. Tackwise or anyone's 18G series nails will do you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.